Hello, my friends. I'm coming again from our channel. I would like to tell you after opening this channel, it will be better when you click at subscribe. Okay, I'm here by the name of Teacher Francois. Today, we are going to see how new cells are formed. We know that new cells in biology are formed from parental and daughter cells. Okay, let's start on the process of how new cells are formed from parental cells that are known as mitosis. Remember that mitosis refers to the process of nuclear division where two gametically identical nuclei are formed from one parental cell nucleus. Let's start on the hypothesis about making new cells. The first one is that asexual reproduction. Single-celled organisms such as paramecium divide to produce organisms. It produces two daughter cells that are separate organisms. Some multicellular organisms such as Hydra produce offspring from part of the parent. The second important is growth, where multicellular organisms grow by producing new extra cells. Each new cell is genetically identical to parent cell and so can perform the same functions. Another important about making new cells is to repair. For making new cells, provide damaged cells needed to be repaired by new cells that perform the same function and so need to be identical as growth. And the last one is replacement, where red blood cells and skin cells are replaced by the new ones. Let's move on. Those stages of cell cycle. Cell cycle is divided into three main stages. The first one is interphase. The second one is mitosis. The third one is cytokinesis. Within interphase, there is three substages, where the first one is growth 1. In growth 1, cell prepare. It's a cell for DNA replication. And even there is cytasis, where cytasis is the substages of interphase where DNA replication takes place. And even the last one as substage of interphase is growth 2, where the cell resume growth before the cell enter the rest, the next phase, known as mitotic phase. Second stage of cell cycle is mitosis. In mitosis, after DNA become replicates, in mitosis, nuclei divides and chromatids start to separate. The last stage of cell cycle is cytokinesis, where cytoplasm start to divide or cleaves for preparing growth phase. Each new cells grow to full size. That is the end of our introduction about how new cells are formed from parental cells. That is the end of our lesson, but here you have some evaluation. Here we have sessions. After understanding this introduction, you have to answer those questions so that you can get more for that lesson. The first question is that a horse skin cell contains 64 chromosomes. How many chromosomes are there in horse brain cell? How many chromosomes are there horse liver cell? Second one, how many chromosomes are there in human red blood cell? Third one, how many DNA molecules are there in nucleus of an ion cell that is not dividing? After getting those process of how new cells are formed and those stages of cell cycle, you have to search more. You have to search more so that you can improve your knowledge about how new cells are formed and their biological process in their formation. Thanks.